enthusiasts. Welcome back to Anurag Fine Arts, where we dive into exciting art techniques. Today, we are unlocking the secrets to creating a mesmerizing blur background in a pencil sketch commission. Gather your tools, we are about to embark on a creative journey. Before we jump into the technique, let's quickly go over the tools and materials we will be using for this project. 1. Graphite pencil. I have a range of pencils, from 2H for light shading to 6B for darker areas. 2. Kneaded eraser, perfect for lifting off excess graphite and creating highlights. 3. Tissue paper, this will help us achieve a soft and gradual blending effect. 4. Charcoal pencil powder, for adding depth and texture to the background. 5. Round brushes, I have different sizes for blending, a small one for details and a larger one for wider areas. 6. A mechanical pencil for creating a crisp and clear outline. I'm using Sakura 0.3mm mechanical pencil. Segment 1. Setting the stage. We're going to use a unique approach by creating our own charcoal powder from a charcoal pencil. To do this, let's begin by sanding the charcoal pencil against a sandpaper. This will produce the charcoal powder we need for our background. Segment 2. Applying charcoal powder. Now that we have our homemade charcoal powder, it's time to apply it delicately to our background. Take a soft round brush and gently dip it into the charcoal powder. Remember, less is more. Start with a light application, gradually building up the depth. Segment 3. The magic of blending. Watch as the background transforms before your eyes. The charcoal powder adds an alluring texture, but now, it's time to work our blending magic.
You've been chosen to everybody.
paper is our secret weapon for achieving a realistic blur effect. Take a piece of tissue paper and gently press it onto the background. By doing this, we are softly diffusing the charcoal particles and further enhancing the depth of our background. Segment 5, Playing with Highlights. Now, let's play with light and shadow. Our kneaded eraser comes into action here. Gently mold it into a shape that suits your needs and carefully lift off some charcoal from areas that should be highlighted. This creates a beautiful interplay between light and darkness. Segment 6, Finishing Touches. Step back and admire the transformation. Your subject is now beautifully grounded in its blurred environment. Remember, each artist has their unique touch, so don't hesitate to experiment and make this technique your own. Congratulations, fellow artists! You have just unlocked the art of creating a captivating blur background in your pencil sketch commissions. Thank you for joining me on this creative adventure. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting techniques. Share your creations with me, I'd love to see your artistry. Until next time, keep sketching and keep inspiring. This is Anurag, signing off.